how to uplift your morals or your expectations, how not to feel inferior. Again, this deals with knowing who you are and what those around you really are. And this is not something that can easily come by taking a pill or an injection. It needs a lot of reflection, it needs knowledge, it needs to make a lot of dua, and it needs you to know your limits and who you are. The scholars used to say that sincerity, one of the main characteristics of sincerity, how would I know if I'm sincere or not, is when being criticized does not sadden you or harm you. And being praised does not add any value to you. This is when you're sincere. But when one word brings you down and another takes you up, there is a deficiency in you that you have to rectify, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.